A new year, a new threat. After last week's Christmas storms left California waterlogged and its rivers running high, a new threat of flooding and landslides starts tonight. This storm, which lacks the extreme ingredients of last week, will come in earnest once the clock strikes midnight on the West Coast. Rainfall totals of up to 4 inches are possible in the foothills and mountains, while the coastal and valley areas will experience up to 2 inches. With heavy rain forecast for Pasadena, this could be the first wet Tournament of Roses parade in 2 decades. Evacuation warnings are in place once again near the recent burn scar areas where debris flow and mudslides pose the greatest risks.